Hey guys, this is your girl Eonnie Dear and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you The Ordinary, but I'm going to be showing you their makeup, I would say collection, whatever. I just bought their makeup, I bought both of their foundations, and I bought their primer. So this is their primer. It's the High Spreadability Fluid Primer. I got this one because I like a more dewy look. They have another primer for a more matte finish. So here it is. It comes in a little dropper. This is basically for dewy skin. It'll hydrate your skin. Let's see. I think it says on the box. It says that it supports makeup adherence. It supports visible surface texture and hydration. So I've already done my face, washed it, whatever. I already did my routine, so I'm just gonna go straight in. Ooh, this is thick. I'm gonna go straight in with the primer. Let me just wash my face. Go straight in with the primer, just a tad bit, halfway. Ooh, okay. It definitely is spreadable. Kind of feels like the Benefit primer, but smoother, softer, I guess you could say. Okay. I'll show you the face. Now I bought two different kinds of foundation. I bought the serum foundation, which is a more light coverage foundation. It says lightweight serum formula. It says a serum textured natural coverage foundation that softens undesirable hues and visibly reduces imperfections. So yeah, that is this one. They look like this once out the packaging. Has a pump, which I love. Thank God it has a pump. Oh my God, I would have been very upset if it didn't have a pump. And then the second one I got was the full coverage foundation, high coverage foundation formula. Now this one says it is a coverage foundation, high coverage creamy foundation that softens undesirable hues. Same thing, same packaging, comes with a pump. I think I'm going to use the coverage foundation one. Yeah, I'm gonna use the coverage foundation one. So I'm gonna use this one. The way I found my my shade is I went on foundation, like in one of my very old previous videos. I went on that, put in another makeup that I use, and found my foundation color, my shade color in other brands. So this is what it said. Hopefully it works. I've got, I think, yeah, 2-1 wide medium. The only thing I would say about this brand, I know they're more of a skincare brand, not really a foundation or like, you know, makeup brand, is that they don't have a lot of shade colors. They have a lot of shades before me, but after me, they gotta work on that because that's not cute. But I'll let the brand breathe. I'll let it be. But they really do have to work on that because not in 2020. Anyways, so I'm just gonna do. Let's see, maybe. I I think it's gonna be a good match. Let me see. Let's just do it straight from the camera. Oh, it is. Oh. Too much. Right now I'm looking in my viewfinder, so I can't really tell how it looks, but I will get my mirror, look in the mirror in a second. Actually, I think it looks pretty good. They don't have concealer, they just have foundation, so if they do come out with more, I will buy it. Because it's not really expensive, just like their skincare. On camera, I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Let me get my mirror. I gotta get my mirror. Oh, actually, I like it. I think this is a more summer me, a more I've been outside kind of me. Because, you know, with everything that's going on with this pandemic, I haven't been outside. I'm gonna pat this in. I'm not gonna put any concealer. We're just showing the product. Actually, I really like it. Yeah, I do. I really do like it. Okay. Yeah, they definitely need to make more different shades. Like, come on. Because this is kind of really cute. It says it's full coverage. I can still see this, my blemishes, but they have concealer. Actually, it doesn't say full coverage. It says high coverage. So I shouldn't mix that up. Maybe that's not what they're trying to sell. But yeah, I really do like it. Oh, okay. Can't complain. All right. Now I can't complain. Now I really do like the primer. I do think that the makeup works well with it. It feels like what you call it? The Benefits Professional primer. Like the way it feels, but just a little bit more liquidy. It is very lightweight, it is very spreadable. I still feel like I have a dewy look and not very matte, which I do like. I don't like matte finishes. And the foundation, I like it. I mean, let's see if it's buildable. Do one more pump. Just put it straight on the burn. Oh yeah, I think it'll look, build it up a little more, and yeah. It's nice coverage. Is it full coverage? No, I think it's more medium. But they didn't say full, they did just say coverage, high coverage. So I'm thinking they meant medium. And I do think this is my skin shade. But I think this is my skin shade from when a girl was going outside. I got a little bit more dull, but I do like it. Let me check the mirror. Oh yeah. Yeah. Definitely light. Definitely light. Okay guys, well, I'm not really going to show a full face because that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to show you this. I will be doing a BoxyCharm video coming up, so I will be showing this base with added makeup on top if you want to see that. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope you like it. See you later guys. Bye my lovelies. Bye.